Okay, this is where we are today. Yeah, shadows here and everything. There it is. Fuerte. Municipal Palace, I think, is what this is here. Let's go and have a look-see.
Yeah, I think they're getting ready for some sort of maybe a spring festival or something.
Yes.
Or carnival.
Yeah, like a carnival over here. In all years, like in this town, they have a lot of carnival here. Okay, all years, like almost usually. Okay.
I'm at the top of the steps. I'm all winded here, but some of the paintings and history stuff on the wall here. Sun coming through there, so you may not be able to see everything. And this is outside here where we came in over there. Some of our people down there. So Municipal Palace, I think, is what the sign said outside. Yeah. All right. Kid is here. Made up all those flights of steps to get up here for you. Okay, let's head back down here now. All right, here we go. Looks like they're having some sort of festival that they're getting ready for. They got all kind of lights. They got all these people wearing these little ducks on their hat here. So there's a guy selling a duck. I might have to buy a duck here.
I'll let you buy a duck.
Let me see if he's still here.
If you buy a duck, you're gonna have to put it on your hat.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I will. Well, anyhow, I wanted to buy one of those ducks to put on my hat. But they got lights here. They got all sorts of these nice, beautiful palms here and everything. So yeah. All right. These girls don't have a duck on there.